You and I are twins.
Yep.
If people don't know, we came out of the same womb.
We did, yep.
Yeah. Bound by the womb.
Bound by it.
Me and Gaff have a magic gift of twindom.
We do, yeah. Well, I go to Craig sometimes if I've got an issue or I have a decision to make, and together we sort that issue out and we make a decision.
Yeah.
So it's not like, normal people, they have themselves, they have to decipher in their own mind. They may go to other people, but the twinny, there's a bond there.
That's it. We can go to each other.
Yep.
Express any problem.
Yep.
Come up with a solution.
Yep. I mean, every day I have a problem sometimes.
Yeah.
I don't know what to have for lunch, don't know what to have for dinner, I don't know what to do. I don't know.
The decisions are endless, and sometimes you come across a lot of crossroads. Should I wear my thongs or my shoes today?
Exactly.
What kind of weather am I going to expect?
Yep. You can take the burden off your shoulders.
Yeah. Just using twindom.
Yep.
Or shall I say twincision?
Twincision.
It's a twin decision.
It is. So I thought maybe we could help people out. I feel a bit selfish. Maybe we could help the people. Maybe we should put it to them.
9227-5953 is the number to call. What we usually do, we have a problem.
Yep.
We'll throw it to the other twin.
Yep.
And go, hey, look, this is my problem. Mm-hmm. What should I do? Which way should I go?
Yep.
Usually, we do a little game of rock, scissors, and paper. And that actually decides our decision.
Yep.
So, for instance, Gaff, I've got an assignment for university.
Yeah.
I have to get it done shortly.
Oh.
But today is a busy day for me.
Yeah, it's a big day.
I don't know if I'm going to be... My mindset is going to be ready to get down in the books.
Be a bit exhausted.
Yeah.
You might mess up a little bit.
Exactly.
It's a big exam, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or I could wait till tomorrow, be fresh-headed, take it on board, be all new at it.
Yeah.
Or go in there right now while my mind's ticking like a mad box.
Okay, I'll throw to you today. I'll throw to you. You can do it tonight.
Yeah.
You get it done. I'll do it tomorrow. So you're fresh, you're clear-minded, and you can get it done.
Okay, let's do it.
So, okay, we're going to rock off. Whoever wins, decision decided.
That's it. So, on three, Gaff. Okay,
1, 2, 3. Oh,
scissors.
It's a draw. We have to do it again.
I've never had this happen.
No, that's never happened before. Oh, no.
How can we make a decision from that? Do both.
Yeah, do both at the same time.
Do a little bit of both. Do a little bit of both.
Well, that's it.
Well, mate, that's it.
Half and half.
We've drew the decision. The twins have made their decision, everybody.
Decision made.
So, I'll dabble a little bit tonight.
Yep. Dibble dabble.
Finish tomorrow.
That's a
perfect it.
Brilliant idea.
Thank you.
Twincision.
Twincision, right there, everybody. So, if you want a twincision made, if you've got a problem, give us a call. 9227-5953 with Crackles and Jeff. Elkie joins us on the line.
Hey, Elkie.
Hello, I'm Elkie from Vic Park.
Elkie from Vic Park.
What's your problem?
Well, I've got a really bad birthday. It's my 21st coming up, and it's on Christmas Eve.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it really sucks.
Yeah, that would suck.
Exactly.
Don't worry, Elkie. We will take the load off that decision.
So what's your two problems here?
Yeah, what's your two decisions to make?
Well, I don't know.
Should you have your...
new birth? Yeah.
Should you keep the birthday on the date of the 24th of December?
Yep.
Or should you move it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Twinny. I'll be the 24th.
You'll be the 24th.
And you can be...
Weekend before.
Weekend before.
Weekend before.
Okay. All right. Do you want to count down 3 and then we'll lock in the paper, rock or scissors, Elkie?
Okay. Alrighty.
Okay.
Alrighty.
When you're ready.
Okay.
I know it's a bit hard to count.
It is hard.
2, 1.
Jeff's a rock and I'm a paper.
You're a paper.
So I win.
I don't believe you. I need video footage.
Elkie, do you know what happened? You're having your birthday on the 24th of December.
Oh.
Woohoo!
Problem solved.
Yeah, awesome. You guys are the best.
You've just been twincisioned.
Twincisioned.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Elkie. Have an awesome 21st.
Thank you.
See ya.
Hello, Crackly and Gaffer Tape.
This is Anne-Marie. Anne-Marie. Yes.
How are you going?
Hey, so have you got two problems that you can't decide between?
Twincision me.
Twincision.
I don't know whether to wash my car tonight or not because it looks like it's going to rain. So should I wait till the weekend or do it tonight?
Okay.
Interesting dilemma.
Yes. You take the wash the car.
Yeah, okay.
And I'll take not to wash.
Okay. Anne-Marie, if you could count to 3 and then we'll finalise your twincision. Okay?
Right,
Are you ready?
Here we go.
1, 2, 3, rock off.
Announce, I am paper.
And I am scissors. Do not wash your car, Anne-Marie.
Do not wash your car.
It's going to rain.
Repeat.
So does that mean I can do fun things instead? Does it say that in the hands? I'm probably going to go to the gym. That's wicked.
Finalise. Anne-Marie is going to the gym. Take that dirty car.
Take that
dirty car.
Please
Thanks,
wash me, not granted.
And
All
thanks
right,
a lot.
See you guys.
Bye-bye.
See ya.
There it is.
Twin decision made. Another happy customer.
Yep. Glad we're helping the people.
That's right.
Feels good.
That's what it's all about.
Yep.
Gafa and Crackles!